How to import a Python class that is in a directory above. I want to inherit from a class in a file that lies in a directory above the current one. Is it possible to relatively import that file? From sub to import mod. Per the Python docs, when inside a package hierarchy, use two dots, as the import statement doc says. When specifying what module to import, you do not have to specify the absolute name of the module. When a module or package is contained within another package, it is possible to make a relative import within the same top package without having to mention the package name. By using leading dots in the specified module or package after from, you can specify how high to traverse up the current package hierarchy without specifying exact names. One leading dot means the current package where the module making the import exists. Two dots means up one package level. 3 dots is up 2 levels, etc. So if you execute from import mod, if you execute from sub2 import mod from within package sub1, you will import package sub2 mod. The specification for relative imports is contained within PEP 328. PEP 328 deals with absolute/relative imports.
Ed Gimmel's answer is correct if you can guarantee the package hierarchy he mentions. If you can't, if your real need is as you expressed it, exclusively tied to directories and without any necessary relationship to packaging, then you need to work on __file __ to find out the parent directory. A couple of os.path.dirname calls will do winking smiley. Then, if that directory is not already on system.path, prepend temporarily insert said dir at the very start of system.path, __import__, remove said dir again, messy work indeed, but, when you must, and Python strives to never stop the programmer from doing what must be done, just like the ISO C standard says in the Spirit of C section in its preface. Here is an example that may work for you.
Import module from a directory which is exactly one level above the current directory.